Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we want to present about the software that we choose, which is FilmMargin. FilmMargin is a mobile-first, design LED and cloud-based mapping and node decoding system, specifically developed in response to industry-wide frustration with the antiquated and expensive solutions already on offer. FilmMargin is an easy-to-use visual record of farmer farm. Draw maps, make notes, leave message for farmers, teams, and more, with or without internet connections. These apps for web, iOS, and Android allow farmers to create digital farm map with geolocated nodes that can be shared with all the people working on the farm. There are several features that I will explain with you, which is first, map the farm quickly and easily. Just select Add New Feature to start mapping the field. Create the own feature type to map whether it's important to farmer. The second feature is Create Located Nodes. Keep track of everything that happen in the farm and where by creating located nodes. Add picture, set a reminder, tag the clip. No more time spent explaining which part of the hedge need cutting or searching for that node job on a delivery slip. The third feature is comment on the nodes. With FilmMargin, farmer can discuss anything that happen on the farm with their clip. Just leave a comment on the notes and update the team with the good news. The fourth feature is share their farm. Sharing their farm with their teams is simple. Tag their email and invite them to join so they can see information about the farm and collaborate with them. The lastly is manage the farm offline. FilmMargin allow farmers to download their farm maps to use offline and to add node and feature without a connection, so the farmer can take their farm with them anywhere and anytime.
7 categories under FilmMargin WBS, that is project management, planning, system, support, control, software, and installation. Alright, how to make a field job? You can add fields, inputs, and check them off as you go. Field job allows you to keep track of farm's tasks that is specific to your field. Work categories can be created and inputs can be organized so that they may be utilized for reporting. Alright, so for mobile, firstly, add the application, tap on the Add Field Job button at the bottom of the screen and then choose a job type that are either spraying, fertilizing, harvesting, planting, tilling, irrigating, and others. Then you need to write a title, what needs to be doing. Next, add the fields or fields you would like to add to the job. When you add an input to a field job, then you can calculate to total amount based on the area and rates. For this one, firstly tap Add Inputs and select Create New Input, then choose an input name. Select a unit and input of the type and submit through Create. Next, you can enter the rate of input and the total will be calculated using your total work area. You can add as many different inputs to a field job as you require. You can also tag team members to allocate farm jobs to the selected farms. You can also add a due date by inputting a date and time. It will be automatically set a reminder on your phone 30 minutes before the job is due. And lastly, click the save button when you have finished and then the work will be set. To view your work, you can view job details by tapping the job on the list, on the to list.
Share to you guys about FilmMargin software. The first step is process creating a field task. The user just need to put their data and their goal of their agriculture project. So this app will generate automatically. After do the creating field task, the next step is tapping. The user will know the do list task and the user will focus on what to do and what need to do at that time. This FilmMargin software also have the feature that can manage the resources. The first feature that can manage the resources is recording livestock location and the number of livestock. This function can draw attention user in livestock management. The user can keep track all the data about their crop, the number of their livestock, the quality of the soil, the health of the animal, and so on. And the next is drone monitoring. The user can quickly examine drone image during the grow season by integrating FieldMargin with drones monitoring. And the last is critical path. Critical paths that the tasks that need to be complete to successfully conclude the project. And the function that can help the user to do the critical path in field job. This is the most interesting function because it can make a simple record and track all the data of the user, like fertilizer, spraying, harvesting, and so on. And it also will estimate the date when the task will be done. And lastly is checking of field complete. After do a field job system, the user will track either the task or job has been done or not. It makes user more easier to tracking and analysis what the next step that user need to do after done the certain task to continue the project. So that's all the function that FieldMargin has that can help user for the scheduling support system. That's all for me.
I'm gonna present about reporting support in FieldMargin apps. For field use reporting, all of the farmers' records are at their fingertips, ready to use to others, cost, benchmark, and audit. The field usage summary report. The report shows how much of your soil is allocated to each cultivation and how much you have left to plant. The field history and input can be viewed to enable you to easily see every record created by your team. For each application, produce field use summary report, including a table and paste diagram for the field area per use. It is important to you to know how much and what input to track cost and annual audit to track the cost. There is a field history so that any record you and your team create can easily be viewed by touching on the tab. Farm performance analysis and benchmarking are key to improve your farm productivity and profitability. We will look at how you can take the data you have recorded in FieldMargin and use it to work at your costing. You can use this information to identify areas where you could cut costs and improve productivity. The first step to analyzing for performance is collecting the data. With FieldMargin, it's easy to plan and record farm work using field jobs. We will cover 5 things in this software. First is calculate input cost. Second, calculate input use per field. Third, calculate cost per field. Fourth, calculate fertilizer feed and spray spending. And last, calculate per hectare cost.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Madam Amalina. My name is Nur Afrina binti Omar from 4A. Today, I would like to present about control support in FieldMargin software. In control support, it have activity monitoring and file management. FieldMargin software had developed a new field health remote crop monitoring with NDVI, Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. Field health imagery can be used to monitor the spread of pests. For example, the damage cabbage stem flea beetle has done to all seed red crops. The results can be seen when the infected area from green and in matter of weeks it turned to orange and yellow, where the plant have died off. Next, we're gonna look on the step to view field health in FieldMargin software. Firstly, you need to open the Maps tab on the sidebar. At the top there is section called Field Health. You will see a calendar with all dates where satellite imagery and available at your farm highlighted. Next, you need to click on the date displays imagery. The imagery will show your whole farm. Lastly, click the arrows next to month to move back and forward through time. There are 3 years of satellite available. The last control support is file management. There is 3 file management to backup the data in software, such as when farmers set up tasks, note, observation or add comments and photos, all the details are stored safely. The backdate and notes are functions to store data, such as spray records, key crop dates and yield. Widespread field usage, notes and tasks by years means farmers can look back to the previous years of field uses and find the stored data. The data can be added with a different farm years as required and will be automatically tagged as a backup new data.